Can you make money by combining MACD, 5-minute time frame, and 200 EMA? What's up guys, my name is Stepan and in today's video I'd like to introduce you to our new series, Can You Trade It? We'll go through different trading strategies on lower time frames and I'll tell you if I made or didn't make any money at the end of the video. So definitely stay till the end. This is my first trade I actually made, was profitable. I was kind of surprised it actually worked. And what I did was pretty simple. I put some trend lines because I think it is important to at least draw some lines. First strategy I used that once we're below and we're crossed above the line, we should open the trade. That's all we had. We should have been under 200 moving average and we should have crossed above this 0 point level to actually open short, and the vice versa when we were opening long. What I did here was a little bit different because I was kind of pretty sure about the trade, and as you can see we didn't open the trade on this candle right here, but I waited till we got under this level and I opened the trade right here. We had a sort of a retest, and since then we started to moving down. I put my risk reward to 1.5. I thought it was enough. I could have opened it a little bit more, but who cares? I made my first profit here. In my second trade we crossed below and we were above this 200 moving average, which is a good sign, and for that reason I opened the trade. I put a little bit higher risk reward ratio because we had a lot of levels here before, so I thought it wouldn't be a big deal if I opened the trade earlier. The trade worked out really well and I made my profit here, so it was pretty good. But before we move to XRP, subscribe so you wouldn't miss another video. What I did here was simple cross above. We were really close to zero level, so it wasn't as strong as it probably should have been. And what happened here was pretty solid. Just one candle above my open and then we went straight down. I lost some money here, was kind of bad, was 0.7%, so a lot. And also here I was kind of unlucky here because of the placement of my stop loss. I opened the position right under the 200 EMA, which shouldn't be done, and I thought I knew what I was doing because we were kind of holding this level, so I was pretty sure about this trade. But what happened here was we got rejected from 200 EMA and we went back down and I got stop lost and we just went up since then, and I lost a bunch of money here. 1% in trading is a lot when you trade 5-minute time frames, and I just wanna say trading XRP and overall altcoins on this low time frames isn't the best idea, at least from my opinion, because everything goes the way Bitcoin and ETH go. It doesn't really change the direction much on this low time frames. I think I opened both of the trades going against Bitcoin and ETH chart, so this is kind of what I would definitely not do if I tried to trade MACD the way I did. So overall altcoins trading on these low time frames isn't a good idea. Okay, now to some tips and tricks, because I will probably stick to MACD for some time. I'll try to make it profitable actually, because it's kind of a challenge to make MACD profitable trading. My first tip is definitely not to trade altcoins. I've already said it, it's not a good idea, I wouldn't recommend that. Then you should definitely look for supports and resistance. If you find good supports and resistance, your MACD trading will become much more profitable. Also, good tip is to look on higher time frames, just to look if you're in uptrend or downtrend on a half an hour. Then you go back to 5 minutes and you see you're in uptrend above 200 moving average. So it is just better to open the positions in your trend. Don't try to go against it, it won't work well for you. The third tip I would mention, it is better to trade the trades that are really undervalued or overvalued in markets. So that means that once you get really below 0.0 level, it is just better to open it or close it. Look, right here we had a cross, we fell so many percent, and it's also a good indicator to how big your target should be. So that basically means that when you're really above the zero level, it is good to make your risk reward ratio higher. you actually can make bigger profits there. Also, you should definitely look for some levels right here. Kind of good to see this level. If I open this trade, I would definitely open into this candle and put my stop loss above this level and target higher risk reward. So I would probably stick to it till we maybe even retested the 200 moving average. And now, did I make any money? I actually lost some money. I lost 3%. I don't think that's too bad trading it, but it's MACD. I have never really traded this low time frames. I just need to learn how to properly scalp it with TA. At the end, I would like to say that we're not financial advisors. If you want to see more trading strategies, be sure to subscribe and follow us on Twitter. It is a first link in description. Also, you can comment down below what we should try in the next one, and see you guys. Bye.